So dear students, so I'll show you how a JFrame works. Okay. So when I say about JFrame, it is a container which is going to put all the components. Okay. Similar to our applet. So when I say about the JFrame, we have to install or import the following header files. Okay. So import java.awt.start, that is the packages. AWT is abstract window toolkit. And since I'm going to generate an event, I'm going to show you an example with event. So I have included event, then the swing components. So now I'll created a class frame demo new. Not like applet, you don't want to have the applet tag. It will be running in Java only. Okay. And now the next one, we are creating a constructor. Inside the constructor, I've created a frame. So frame is JFrame. F1 is equal to new JFrame of, and any name for the frame you can give. Okay. And now you can set the layout. As we know, setting the layout in applet FlowLayout. I'm setting the FlowLayout. Then I'm setting the size for the frame. I'm set default close operation. This is when a window is there, you should have a that into mark, which when I press it should exit. So that is what default close operation. Now I'm creating a button called submit. Okay, for that button, I'm going to create an action listener. When I press submit, it should come as submitted. Okay, so for this, the action listener I have created. Now for this, where will the submitted come? It will come on a label. Okay, so I've created a JLabel. Okay, so I've created a JLabel. So see here, one thing you have to know, see new JLabel, see L1, I have created, so I'll just show you this one. So when I create this JLabel, see what I have put this on outside. I have created the JLabel here. Why did I do it? Because I am using it inside this method, correct? I'm using it inside this method. So this becomes local, okay? I have to, if I put it here, this will not be reflected inside this method. So that is why we don't do that. Okay, so now L1.setText of submitted. Now it is closed. It is the other like action listener and applet only. Now you add the button B1, add the label L1. Done. And very important thing, you have to set this as visible. If you don't give it as visible, this one will not work. Frames will not work. So set visible is very important. Now the next step is, okay, the public static void main only. Why? Because this is just a Java class. Okay, you can see that it's just a Java class. So public static void main, I have created a object, or I have created an object for the class frame demo new. So what happens, frame demo, when an object is created, the constructor will be invoked. That's it. Simple for now. Okay, and when you execute it, you will get the output like this. See here, I can show you the output. So see, you will get as submit. So when I press submit, it will come as submitted. That much only. This much is only JFrames. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to show you, there is little modification in executing the program. So I'll just show you how it will do in your Eclipse. Okay, very simple. So I'm going to start with a new project, new Java project. So I'll give it as frame demo. I'll give it as class, okay, because I have already created a same pattern. So I'll give a new file name there. So now inside this, I have to create my class, new class. So the name, same name I'm giving, okay. Now it's done. So what I'm going to do is, I will just copy it because I explained you earlier. So I just copied and put it here. So few modifications I have to do instead of this. Okay, I'll put it as class. Again here I should put it as class. Okay, I can just put it here. Then where else I have to make it here? Okay, so okay, so now it is done. Slight corrections you have to do. Right click on the project. Okay, right click. Okay, see, right click on the project. This is my project. Right click on the project and click properties. Inside this property, select Java compiler. Okay, you have to select Java compiler. Then you uncheck this one, use compliance for executing environment. Okay, in that you give 1.7. Okay, you give 1.7, apply and close. Yes. Now if you execute that, it will work. Okay, so when you execute it, see the output is here. Okay, submit, submitted. Okay, this is about frames. So you can execute and see. Thank you.